Hello everybody. Today we have a Nissan Skyline V36. This car configuration was produced from 2007 to 2009 year. Here you can see a full Japanese system with Japanese radio, full Japanese menu without English words. In this car there are no USB input, no music box, also a full Japanese dashboard, and today we will do full conversion and adaptation of this car for comfortable using in your country. We will do the latest multimedia system, we will change dashboard language, and let's start. Well, our work is done. Firstly, you can see a European radio, full English menu. Here you can choose the language you want. Also, we added a comfort. This function never been in this car. This is our exclusive offer. It's absolutely working. Navigation. Everything works without any problems. Here you can choose the destination. Here installed a Russian version of the firmware. If you are from Australia or Europe, you will get navigation maps of Australia or 42 countries of Europe. Also now able music box and playing video from the USB. Here you can see. Working without any problems, like if your car was from your country. Also, we installed camera. Well, if you want it, we send to you the equipment kit which you have to install. Everything connects pin to pin. You don't have to cut the wires. We give you a 2 years guarantee and our support. Also, as we told earlier, we translated dashboard. It is full English, so now everything works in English, the system, the dashboard, and you can find Japanese language. Well, feel free to ask us about what do you want to know. How to contact us, you can find in the description. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.